Hello. So, used hub's gone on there. Decent quality used hub, ABS sensor. Use the original one, so we're going to see if that works okay. The back plate's been sprayed and the caliper's been sprayed. The pads are okay, and we've got some new wheels to go on there. So that's all been done with bed liner as well. So that's all sorted. These are the wheels them are the wheels we've got for it. Really good all-terrain tread on them all. There's two tyres the same and two different ones, but they're all good quality ones. We've got a Pirelli, two Maxis and a Toyo Open Country. So they've all got really good tread on there. They're not perished. So that's better for the MOT. And the wheels are a really nice wheel, 18-inch. Hurricanes are nice, but these are also nice, and I think these will just make it look a lot nicer. They just need a good clean. Once they're clean, they can go on. And then we're going to get on with the welding and the headliner. So them jobs are next. Right, so I've just had to pop out and fetch some bits because the wheels we bought for the Discovery didn't fit. So I've had to go and fetch a load of wheel nuts. 20 quid for 20 nuts, £1 each. Not bad. And these are the Range Rover Sport nuts because the wheels have come off a Range Rover Sport. We asked for Discovery 2 wheels, get us some wheels. Pattern's right, bolts are different. So we need to stick them onto the Disco. Hello, welcome back. We had a bit of an issue yesterday. We've been doing some welding on this arch. You can see that, but we've welded all this new steel into this arch here. Whilst welding, we had a bit of an issue. We started a fire in this corner of the car. There. No. There. Sorry, it's backwards because I've got the forward-facing camera on. Down there. So the back of the arch comes up there with some rubber. We welded all of it. It was on the last little bit. The car was up in the air, and my dad shouted at me. I turned round and there was flames sort of this high up here, and the piece of rubber had caught fire. That's all the burntness that's come out. But we were very lucky, I think. You can see down there, there's a new steel. It's been welded in, so it was round there that it started. And it's that rubber. You can see it's been cut over there. Now we've been pretty lucky, I think. Wiring loom wise, it got the heated screen wires, but this hasn't got a heated screen anyway. The switch there, inertia switch wires, but just got the outer casing, didn't get the wires. The only other wire it got was to this, which I think is the siren to the alarm. So you can see the wires were cut off there because it burnt directly through them wires. There is down there another wiring loom, as you can see, but it just got the outer casing, didn't get any of the actual wires in the loom. So we're going to clean all this out, but first, before I continue doing anything, I'm going to make sure the damn thing starts, because there's no point continuing if we've ruined it. We took the air filter out, and it needs a new one of them. That's pretty black. So new air filter we're going to have to get, if it starts, that is. I'll start without the filter on for now. I'm just going to run it for a couple of seconds. There's the math still on there. I'll just run it for a couple of seconds. We might get some lights on because the air filter being out, but I'll reconnect the battery because that's been off because of the welding. So luckily the battery was off, so if anything did cause any problems electric wise touching, the battery was off. Right, let's have a look what we got. Let's turn this off. Oh. There we go. Right. Dashboard's lighting up like it should. It's in park. And we've got no start. That is not good news. You can hear the fuel pump God, I don't know. Turn this stereo off. There we go. Try again. And the battery's flat. I mean, that should spring straight into life, wouldn't it, eh? So we've got problems now. We've caused ourselves some problems here with this fire. Oh, I'll put the charger on the battery and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, it looks like we've caused ourselves some problems. Good news, I just tried it with the jump pack on and it has started, so we haven't caused any damage, thank the Lord. Right, so didn't film any of this unfortunately, or the fire, but I'll show you what welding is. So it's been painted, but that section there, you can see it's been welded in all the way along there. So that's new. And there's a little patch there and along there as well. It's been welded in. Calipers painted, all this has been painted. So that's all nice and fresh. So we'll put one of the new wheels on and we'll see what it looks like. So here's the back of the wheels, and obviously I just want to clean these before we put them on. They're pretty bad on the back. This stuff is like £1.50 wheel cleaner. We're going to see how good it is. What is it? Auto Extreme Detailing at its finest. We're about to find out how good it is. So we'll spray it all on. Give it a good coat. We'll leave it on for a bit and see what it comes off like. I ain't holding much out part for it because it's damn thick. But we might as well give it a go. See what it comes out like. See if it can do anything. Right, as you can see, we started to break it down with one of these stiff brushes in there, and started using this windscreen traffic film remover, and that has actually started to do something to it. But we've decided, I think that the best way to do it is the jet wash some snow foam and put it on there, heat, bake into it. But that has started to remove it, so we'll jet wash all that off and then we'll do snow foam on the other ones. If you look down there, look.
I see daylight.
Oh yeah, I don't think you see it on the phone. Oh, there it is, look. Hang on, let's put the torch on. Oh no, I don't want to see that.
Oh no, not this time of day.
So that is all pretty bad down there.
I ain't coming tomorrow.
So that's all going to have to be done. I feel like it's been done in the past. I don't know, but yeah, pretty bad down there. So go do that. All the lights on. That's been all welded down there. There is the mud flap holders. Yeah, that's all rebuilt down there. Another one there. Nah, I'll wash them when I get home. And that has all been welded around there. We just got to have this back in. So it's going to be pretty solid when it's done. And it didn't set on fire. So, well, it did set on fire, but it didn't completely set on fire. Done no real damage. So, see you in the next one for more welding, more stuff.